Paying credit card bills on Scotiabank app is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can pay your credit card bill on Scotiabank app. In order to do that, I will demonstrate you how you guys can actually do that. So the first thing that you have to do is you just have to tap on your account and then you have to tap on manage. Now after tapping on manage, you will see a page look something like that. There you have to scroll down and tap on this auto pay section. Now after tapping on that, you have to go back again and then you have to tap on this or select auto pay, and then you just have to you will see a page something like that. There you have to tap on from a Scotiabank account, and then you have to select your from account, and after that you have to select your to account. Now after selecting the accounts, what you have to do is you just have to scroll down and tap on next, and then you have to tap on this agreement thing. After tapping on this agreement thing, you just have to read it whole through, and after that you have to tap on this I agree and continue. After tapping on that, you just have to scroll down and tap on finish to finish it. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.